Hi guys, I'm Irfan Memon. I play for Bangkok Blues Cricket Club. I'm a wicketkeeper batsman. The first thing I would like to tell you all is I miss you guys too much. I miss playing cricket with you. I miss hanging around with you. I miss parties. I miss all of you. My feeling about this pandemic situation is it's a tough time for us and we have to take care of our families. We have to take care of our health, fitness, so that we are fit enough to come back next season with a bang. Basically, we are keeping ourselves busy with work from home, Zoom meetings, also teaching kids, helping them around to study with their Zoom meetings as well. Yeah, they do have a Zoom meeting as well. If you want to see that, how we work and how we take care of our family, let me show you around. In the last video we came up with isolation cricket. So if it's possible, play cricket at your home, do shadow practice, keep yourself fit, healthy, and last but not the least, see you soon once this situation gets better. Take care of yourself, your health, your family, and see you soon. All the best, Blues. See you.
Good morning, Bangkok Team Blues. I hope you guys are well, staying strong and staying fit. Well, the COVID situation, it has given us a good opportunity to reflect amongst ourselves, maybe drop some bad habits, pick up some good habits. We can't do much about it, so might as well fight it. The other thing is, we all need to stay fit because we have to get back to the cricket, and that's where we do best. So it's important that you all keep doing exercise, stay in touch with each other, and when we meet together, I'm sure all of us will have great fun, and especially fun because we like winning, and it'll be better that we win the championship. Take care.
Hello guys, hope everyone out there is doing fine. Blues Cricket Club is an extended family and I miss being out there with my boys. My cricketing profile, all-rounder, pretty much doing what the skipper wants. As of now, the skipper is wanting us to stay home, and that's important for all of us, and that's what all the boys are doing. Don't worry guys, this would be over soon and we will be back doing best what we can, and that's playing cricket. Until then, stay safe, stay home, take care of your health and your family. All the very best. See you soon. Cheers.
Hi friends, this is Anurag from Bangkok Blues. I'm a right arm leg break bowler, as you all know. Missing all of you guys. मैं तो इंडिया में हूँ और आप सब बैंकॉक में हो, and we all are missing cricket very badly. But as you know, ये टाइम बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट है हम सब के लिए. कोविड-19 की वजह से हम सब लॉकडाउन में हैं और it's a time to take care of your families, friends, keep talking to them, take care of your elders. Cricket definitely will come back, as you all know कि पूरी दुनिया में पूरा स्पोर्ट्स कैलेंडर ही वाइप्ड आउट हो गया है. टेनिस, ओलंपिक्स, football, cricket, everything, nothing is happening right now. But we are hopeful we'll be back to a normal situation within next 2-3 months. And हम सब ग्राउंड पे फिर से मिलेंगे बहुत जल्दी. तब तक के लिए stay safe, keep yourself healthy and keep doing some workouts. Thank you, bye-bye.
Guys, my name is Usman Shahid. I play as a batsman at Bangkok Blues Cricket Club. What's keeping me busy these days is my work, of course. I'm working from home, so Zoom is my new best friend. What I'm loving about this break is spending time with my family. What I'm missing is cricket, of course. So my message to everyone out there is to stay indoors and stay safe. And I'll see all of my lovely friends at the field of play very soon.
Hey everyone, this is Mukesh from Bangkok Blues team. I would like to say hi to everyone and let you all know that I'm fine. and at the same time I would like to know also that how you guys are doing. I wish for your good health and safety. Also, I would like to share my feelings that how I am feeling in this lockdown time, not getting cricket for so long. Yes, feeling isn't that great, but the positive things what I found is that I see so many friends with whom I play cricket with. They are connected on social media, Facebook. They are putting fitness challenges. Some or other activities are happening. So this is a very good way to stay positive. So till the time we are not getting cricket back on track, stay positive, stay positive with cricket. Have belief that we are going to get cricket back very soon, and stay healthy. Cheers.
Hi guys, I'm Anirban. I'm a top order batsman with the Bangkok Blues Cricket Club. We are all facing a situation of lockdown right now here in Bangkok, and obviously we are all missing the cricket. As you can see, I'm here in my workspace in my home, recording this video in my favorite Blues jersey. So feels very good to be back in the jersey. But I really miss hanging around with the guys. I really miss the emotions of the 2 days on the field on Saturdays and Sundays. After a long week of work, this was pretty much the only avenue for us to vent out our emotions. So I really miss that outing every week. But we realize that this is important. This is important for keeping ourselves and our families safe, but really missing the cricket. I hope you are keeping safe. See you soon.
Hello everyone, I am Mohammad Fahid. I play for Bangkok Blues Cricket Club, and I am very much happy to be part of this wonderful club. In this difficult and unwanted coronavirus outbreak, I do feel is that things in life are very much out of our control. So we have to adjust our daily life in a very fruitful way. What I do in this situation, working from the home and teaching, especially teaching, online teaching, and also I do some fitness activities, and also I do some readings related to my work. And what I do miss a lot, that is cricket, playing cricket, weekend cricket in Bangkok, and especially I miss the team atmosphere on the field, off the field, with the Blue Fellows. And last but not least, I would like to say, stay at home, stay safe, save humanity, and also keep distancing to fight this global pandemic. Chak De Blues.
Hi Blues, these are tough times. We're all staying at home. There's a lockdown. The one thing that's common that we all miss is cricket. That's all brings us together. So I still feel that it's going to be a while before we can play some cricket, because after this lockdown, we're going to have the rainy season. So let's just stay fit. Do our exercises. There's another thing that is very good in our Blues is our group chat keeps us active. Like some days there's a physical challenge. The couple of days back there was a singing challenge, and that's all keeps us together. So let's stay together and hope for the best, and hopefully we'll come out of this soon and get together and start playing our cricket, which is the best thing that we all love together. Take care guys, love you, all the best.
Hey guys, this is Abhik here, and I play for the Bangkok Blues cricket team. I've been playing with Bangkok Blues for the last 1 year, and I'm a right-hand batsman and a right-arm bowler. Medium pace, I don't know. So yeah, it's been tough for the last 1 month. We've all been kept hostage in our homes by this deadly COVID-19 virus, as they say. So I've been within the confines of my 4 walls for the last 1 month, working from home every day. Obviously getting terribly bored, but again, you know the nature of humans, you always find a way out to survive. So yes, Netflix, online movies, reading stuff online, reading news of different countries, that's all that is keeping me busy. I mean, this whole social isolation and social distancing thing is a necessary evil of sorts, as I think, because I mean, there's no other way around it, I guess. And I think a few days of persistence and patience will probably make sure we sail through this tough period, and then we're back to playing cricket again on the fields and back to looking forward to the weekends, planning how to go ahead and put our best efforts and winning matches day after day. Very much looking forward to the day that we'll be able to again, get involved and engaged with our passions, everyday life, walk outside freely without a worry. So I think that's about it. So my advice to everybody is, again, just keep on doing what you're doing. It's just a few more days, and sooner rather than later, hopefully we'll all be back together again. So stay safe, stay away from everybody else, stay indoors. Godspeed. Thank you.
टफ है ये पीरियड कोविड-19 का कहर, सेफ है रहना ये वायरस डेडली है जहर, घर पे ही रहना, डिस्टेंस मेंटेन तू करना, क्रिकेट नहीं खेलना, वर्क फ्रॉम होम ही करना, बोर होएगा तू भर बुलाएगी वो, पर जाने का नहीं खतरनाक है वो, दिल छोटा मत कर, हिम्मत न हार, कुछ पल की है बात, फिर होंगे सब साथ, फिर एक बार कहूँ मैं ये बात, सेफ रहेंगे घर पे हम सब मेरे यार. Hi guys, this is Arpit from Bangkok Blues, explaining the situation which we are facing right now. But let's stay positive and safe at home. Take care, guys.
Hello everyone, I am DA, Bangkok Blues player. I know we all are facing very difficult situation right now because of COVID-19 and staying at home, trying to be safe. The most important thing I'm missing right now is playing cricket with my best friends here in Thailand. But yeah, let's look at some positive things in this difficult situation. So staying at home means a lot of things, obviously the work from home is going on, but apart from that, we can spend some more time with our family members. We can obviously cook some good food, new things. Also, there are a lot of new web series, good web series being telecast, so you can spend time with that. Also, doing regular exercise, daily exercise would keep you healthy. So there are plenty of options. So just staying at home doesn't mean that you get bored every time, but yeah, you can try out different things, new activities. So let's hope that this situation ends soon and we get back to the battlefield. Thank you.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम, सब भाई कैसे हैं? उम्मीद करता हूँ कि सब ठीक होंगे. मैं शुएब शाह बैंकॉक ब्लूज़ की तरफ से खेलता हूँ. लेफ्ट आर्म स्पिनर और लेफ्ट हैंड बैट्समैन हूँ. इस टाइम मुश्किल टाइम है जिसकी वजह से हम सब लोग आइसोलेट हुए हैं कोविड-19 की वजह से, और क्रिकेट बिल्कुल स्टॉप हुई भी है. बहुत बोरिंग टाइम है, बहुत मिस कर रहे हैं क्रिकेट को, और उम्मीद करते हैं कि ये मुश्किल टाइम इंशाल्लाह जल्दी गुजर जाए और हम दोबारा एक्शन में नज़र आएँ. और मेरी सब दोस्तों से रिक्वेस्ट है कि वो घरों में रहें, अपना ख्याल रखें, अपनी फैमिलीज़ का ख्याल रखें. इंशाल्लाह बहुत जल्द हम एक्शन में दोबारा नज़र आएंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच बैंकॉक ब्लूज़ एंड थैंक यू एवरीवन.
Good evening friends, I am Manish. I am in Bangkok Blues and I am all-rounder. And we all are missing the cricket very much. But we cannot go out, we cannot play due to the big epidemic problem of COVID-19. This is a big problem all over the world. So friends, keep social distance, keep personal hygiene. This is the best time to give the quality time to our family, our children. This is time so reconnect with our relatives, our friends. Take care of our family, take care of our friends. And I hope this will be over very soon. And We will be meeting at playground very soon. एक कहावत है, हर अंधेरी रात के बाद में एक नई सुबह होती है. So hope for good and stay fit, stay healthy. Jai Hind.